What's up guys? Welcome to another pixel art tutorial. And today we are going to create our very own Super Mario. So before we start, I just wanted to collect a few images and try to decide which one I want to get closer to. And I pretty much like this one in terms of, you know, its pose and the character overall. So we're going to create something similar to this. So I have my document here already prepared. I just create another layer for my character. Let's call it Mario. Nice. And I will start with probably nose. That's the easiest one. I'll choose a nice yellowish, reddish color. A bit more to this side. A bit more yellow, something like that will work. And just start by drawing a square. That's gonna be its nose. Okay. And now I choose something a bit darker to create a shadow. Okay, something like this will work. Okay, I think that's a bit too big. Let's do something like that. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I think maybe a darker color will work even better. Something like that. Okay, and I just make it a bit smaller. Okay, that's fine. I'll start to draw his mustache. Something like this. Okay, that's fine. And we'll continue with the head now. I think I need a brighter color for this. Something orange. Yeah, that's fine. Let's start by drawing the eyes. And you know, as we have light coming from this side, I will also put some light here as well. Just like that. So we're starting to see its face a little bit. I'll just continue with the head. Draw some pixels here. There. Let's make the ear as well, somewhere here maybe. Something like that. And let's put some light here as well. And we have maybe a little bit of hair coming from this side. I'll put some shadow here because we'll have a hat on top, so it's nice to have a little bit of shadow here. And actually let's start to draw it. I'll choose something like this. Maybe. Okay. Maybe this color is better. Okay. And now here, so let's start to see a little bit of the head. Maybe a bit longer on this side. Alright, and let's draw the rest. I'll choose some red color because obviously it has a red hat. and I start by just trying to get the shape right. Something like that. That's okay. I choose a darker color of the red so I can make a shadow there. Okay, he has like a little logo on his head, so I would just draw a white square basically for that. Go a little bit to the orange shade just to not make it completely white, because that would be a bit boring. Okay, so we're starting to see our face now. I think he's missing a little bit of hair here behind. Okay, cool. A little bit adjustments here and there. Cool. Now we can start to draw the belly. I'll choose some blue, kind of like that. Okay. Okay, now just as a base, but I'll actually draw his right hand as well. And some shadow here as well. A little bit on the blue tone. Okay, something like this. Okay. Has like two buttons here. Right. Let's start to draw this part. I'll choose some darker color here. His arm. That's too much. Yeah, there's something here I don't really like. Let me try to fix that. Okay, that's better. Okay, cool. Let's continue. Let's start to put like the other arm here behind, like he has this like jumping pose. Okay, maybe I should make this shirt darker actually. Something like that. Okay. Choose a darker color here. To make some shadow, we start to defining some shadow here. Okay, something like that. And start to draw the other arm. Alright, that seems okay. And now the shoes. I can go for this color, I guess. That's one, and let's do the other one. Seems to look nice. Just a few adjustments here and there. A little bit more shadow here. And this should be a little bit brighter. Okay, I think that's not bad. I think one thing I can do actually, just to give it a little bit more personality. You know, Super Mario actually has this type of eyes, but I want to make him a little bit more funny. This is up to you if you want to do it or not. But by just doing that, he looks way more cute and kind of silly. I think that's another thing you can do. Maybe we can also, I don't know, make his nose a little bit more red. That would be another fun thing to do. Let's see how that looks. A little bit on pink side here. Like that. A bit too much, maybe a bit more red. Somewhere here. This looks fun as well. Yeah, overall I'm happy with this. I hope this was helpful and fun. And if you want to see some more of these tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more about the game I'm working on or general news about stuff I'm doing, just follow me on Twitter or join my Discord server. And you can find all the links in the description. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.